Okay, so you're researching thumbnails. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 thumbnail tips that I use when designing my thumbnails in order for them to stand out. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so if you're watching this video, then you probably know the importance of thumbnails and more importantly, getting those thumbnails to stand out. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 thumbnail tips that I use to help me stand out in regards to thumbnails on YouTube. Okay, so one of the first things that I consider when making my thumbnails is what color do I want my thumbnails to be, or what color do I want the font to be? So what helps me decide what color I want to use in my thumbnails is I have a look at the people that are competing for the same topic or niche that I'm making videos on, and I try to have a thumbnail that is the opposite of the color that is the most popular. So if everybody's using red, for example, I don't want a lot of red in my thumbnail because I want my thumbnail to stand out and I want it to be different. So the color is very important. It's a very important thing to consider when designing your thumbnails. So what I would suggest is definitely do some research and just kind of have a look around and see what people's thumbnails are in the niche that you're competing, and try to come up with a color that is different and stands out from everybody else's thumbnail. So that's the first thumbnail tip that I have for you, is the color selection. Okay, so the second thumbnail tip that I have for you is to make sure that your thumbnails kind of have the same look or the same design. Once you have your colors picked out that you're going to use, you want to make sure that your thumbnails look similar. If possible, they look exactly the same, except the wording may be different, except maybe the placement of the wording may be different, but the colors in regards to the thumbnails are the same, and the font is the same, which is the next tip we're about to talk about in just one second. But you definitely want to give the same feel and the same branding or the same type of look to every single thumbnail that you create, so that your viewers know that this is a video that you created and they recognize it right away. And more importantly, if you've built up some kind of relationship with the viewer, they're definitely going to want to watch your video. So branding is certainly something that you definitely want to consider. That is a second thumbnail tip. Okay, so once you have your color selected and you have your design or the certain type of look or brand that you're going for, the third thing that you want to consider in regards to thumbnails is font. Font selection is everything. You want to make sure that the font you select is very clean, it's very simple, it's easy to read. The letters are big if possible. You definitely don't want to select a font that has skinny looking letters or letters that is too much cursive, or maybe the letters bleed into the next letter. You want to make sure, once again, that the font is clean, it's easy to read. This is important because you definitely are going to be living with this decision, because you definitely want to include the same type of font in all of your videos. So font selection is everything. So definitely take your time picking a particular font so that, once again, you can use this font in all of your videos, and that'll make it easier to tie into the fact that, hey, once again, these are your videos and your viewers know that these are your videos because the colors are the same, the design or branding is the same in all the videos, and more importantly, the font is also the same. So the font is certainly more important, and the third thumbnail tip that I wanted to suggest in this video. Before I wrap up this video, let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful to you. Let me know which one of these advice or tips that I gave regarding the thumbnails was something that was helpful to you. Let me know that in the comments below. Okay, so those were the 3 thumbnail tips that I have for you guys in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research for YouTube, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.